1816 metallic. So there's no parking in this area. That's why I actually parked in the driveway, but it does need to be power washed. It's nice that there's already desert landscaping. Need the property manager opinion on the actual neighborhood. Although this is a very in-demand area in general. Remove satellite. These are little tacks just for decorations. And there's some sort of cord going all the way across. We want to remove that. Maybe the tacks can stay. That's property manager call. But the fascia and some of the stucco is looking a little discolored. Okay, so probably repaint this front door. Make sure the screen door shuts properly. Remove this. Remove all of these things on the wall that don't need to be there. And it would be 100% repaint, so that would be done as part of that. Need to remove the grass in the backyard. Maybe paint that gate. So we have a stainless steel space saver microwave and dishwasher. Of course, replace that blind, fix up this area, windowsill, hopefully new counters. Definitely this has to go and that has to go. So stainless steel to match what's already here. Paint the inside of that door. But it is nice that it's tile down here. We need a blind there. We need a door handle on the garage door. Replace those light bulbs. So we have epoxied flooring, which is an upgrade that we are not seeing a lot of in this property. What I've seen, the carpet actually looks okay. The blinds, well, it's a PM question on whether or not they can stay, because some definitely need to go. They're the wrong type. Some just seem dirty, but maybe they can be cleaned, and some seem old. The flooring's okay. I don't see any particular specific problems with it. You fix that, maybe replace that light. Raised panel doors. You need to put that electrical inside the wall. Oh, the smoke detectors are looking old as well. Yeah, the carpet looks pretty good in here. That blind probably has to go because it's the wrong color. We want all the door handles to match, so we have different colors here and here. Bronze, bronze. It's mostly bronze. That one's silver nickel. Bronze over here. Replace these blinds. Paint is coming off. That one just looks bad. $150-ish for a new fan. Flooring actually looks pretty good. We need a new blind on that door. Recaulk the shower and it'll look much, much better. Maybe touch up on the grout here. 2 blinds. And remove the bidet. Maybe replace the flush handle thing. Maybe replace the toilet seat. New blind. Maybe a new light. Definitely a janitorial. That's about it.